Okay, so the first thing you need to have your HTML script written down. Okay, so I already have my one written down. So the first thing is I'm going to save it. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, you have to save it, and you can actually give it whatever name that you want, and you're going to put .html at the end. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is that you're gonna create a folder under htdocs. Okay, so if you don't have one, you should create one and name it files. Okay, so that's where you are going to store your project, right? But I already have my one. I will actually be duplicating it, so I don't want any duplication, so it already exists, so I don't have to create another one. This is just an example. If you don't have one and you want to create one, you want to make sure that all your files are in the same folder and you're going to save it. Okay, so you're going to copy the name of the PHP script, okay, in your form element inside your HTML script, right? So you want to make sure that it is actually the same name, so that we can be redirected to it when we actually click the submit button. Okay, so it must be accurate. This is very, very important, and also it has to be saved under the same folder, which was file, the one that we actually created. So the next thing is you are now going to save it, right? As I say, make sure that it is in the same folder as your HTML script that you wrote, and it's by XAMPP and HTDocs. Okay, you want to make sure all of that. So now you are going to open your XAMPP application, and you are going to press all the start buttons, right? And after doing so, you're going to press the top button, admin button on top. Okay, you're going to press that. Okay, so it will actually direct you to where you need to be. Now the next step is you are going to write your folder name and / file name of your HTML. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have the correct HTML. You still remember it, or you can go back and look at it and actually write the same name there. Okay, make sure it is correct, and you press enter, and you will have your form shown. So this is an example of mine that I had created, and this is my form. Okay, so that's basically it, and you can stay